Guys, let's go and buy some shrimps from the fish market. Thanks for following my channel, and today we are going to prepare shrimps curry with vegetables on the side. Follow me to the kitchen. I already prepared 600 gram peeled and cleaned small shrimps, big tomato diced, green chili spicy, and medium onion. And you need the green onion and green coriander, tomato paste, and here 2 cloves of garlic and small piece of ginger. I dice it very fine. For the spices, you need 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. You need the chili flakes and the turmeric. Let's go cooking, and we are going to use the olive oil. Friends, here we need 3 tablespoons of olive oil and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. For sure your olive oil should be warm. Now you add the chopped onion, and we need to add the turmeric. Start your frying the onion on a small fire, and I have chopped the chili. It's a spicy chili. It will give very good taste, and I'm adding the chopped ginger and garlic together. And we are going to add the diced tomato. Add your spices, the cumin, the grounded coriander, as well the paprika. If you like your curry to be spicy, you can add dry red chili as per taste. I start to smell that amazing, fantastic flavor and smells of those spices, and now time to add full tablespoon of tomato paste. Season your curry with salt as per taste and black pepper, and wait till you will get the sauce ready to add the shrimps. Now the sauce is ready, and we are going to add the shrimps. Just I would like to remind who's first time on my channel that in one of my previous video I have shown the way how to clean the shrimps properly, so please refer to that portion of that video. Stir it well so that all shrimps will absorb that flavor of the sauce. Shrimps are almost ready, as you see, orange color and shrinked in size. Looks good. Keep it to boil 2 minutes more and switch off the fire. Add your chopped green onions and coriander as a seasoning. Cover your shrimps and let it sit to get all those flavors, like around couple of minutes. I have boiled my broccoli and carrots, semi-boiled, and ready to prepare my side dish vegetable saute. You can watch and prepare the same. In keto, people make a common mistake by not consuming enough vegetables. Being a medical professional, I recommend to include plenty of vegetable in your daily diet to get enough vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Please subscribe to my channel for more information and advice about healthy diet. Please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment box. Bon appetit! Enjoy your dinner, as we tell in Arabic, sahtain. See you next time. Bye bye for now.